Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Let's indulge in this rich, fudgy goodness of sweet potato brownies. They are velvety, chocolatey, melts in your mouth, wholesome goodness. This superfood is guilt-free and decadent in every bite. I just cannot wait for you guys to try these brownies, man. Let's jump right into this video. Here I have my sweet potato, my brown sugar and cinnamon. Mix that together. I did cut my sweet potatoes in half, add some oil and my cinnamon sugar, roast until they are tender. Now you can also boil your sweet potato if you so chooses, okay? So now we're going to scoop all that sweet potato into a blender. You can add some agave, and that is optional. If you want to add a little bit more sweetness, go right ahead. All right, then we add some vanilla bean paste, and I am going to add some almond butter here. Now I think peanut butter is my preference, but this is what I have, okay? So everything that I'm using here will be in the description box, not to worry. You can also add 1 egg here if you so chooses. Now that is optional. With or without it, this brownie is going to be amazingly delicious. A pinch of salt. Now when that is nice and smooth, you will pour that into your baking dish. All right, add some dark chocolate over. Bake for 40 minutes in a 350 degrees oven. Let that sit and cool before you cut. All right, and I'll show you what it looks like. Ooh, I'm super excited. This here, OMG. You guys, man, listen, you just have to make this one. I cannot emphasize enough how delicious this is. Super amazing, and it is healthy for you. All right, so why not? So if you guys, if you like me, you got a sweet tooth, this is right up your alley as well. So do not forget to subscribe, be kind to yourself and each other. I love you guys. See y'all in the next video. Bye-bye.